Hey YouTube, Jammin' Jamie here. I just wanted to share some new tools that I got for those that like to do things themselves. Over the last couple years I've learned about a few things that make things easier. One of those things is a breaker bar. I love this thing. I got this for about 20 bucks from Lowe's. This is a Cobalt. You can probably get them for 12 bucks from Harbor Freight when they had their sales and all, but this is an 18-inch breaker bar with a half-inch whatever you call these things. And I'm going to use this to get lawnmower blades off. I tried to get lawnmower blades off before on this thing and on this deck, and it was super hard. It's like really hard. So this pipe and breaker bar made it much easier, and I highly recommend it. I'm going to spray a little bit of WD-40. We'll put a block in, loosen to the left. Find the right. Oh, I got this at Harbor Freight too. That's a breaker bar with a half-inch drive, I guess. Let's see which one is the right one. I think it's a 15/16. Let's try that. Yep. Stick your pipe in. Watch out, Dixie.
Dixie, come.
And that worked. I didn't have to work too hard on this. I think I did it last time, which was the hard part. Now it's kind of loose, so that's what you do. That's the way I would recommend getting these things off. I tried an old impact wrench and it wouldn't budge. So this was really, really good.